Howdy folks, Jody Marler with FishCamp, and today we are here with a professional architectural photographer, Whitney Kamman, and we're shooting one of our latest houses. Okay, so today we're with Whitney Kamman, and we're going to get a little insight into how she looks at different pieces of the houses we're going to shoot. So I want to take you through, kind of how a professional photographer kind of looks at different spaces.
So basically I'll take like a base image and then I'll just kind of put it all together in Photoshop based on how it's lit. I mean, there's really, really great lighting here, but little things can get lost in shadow. And so I just want to make sure we catch all the details of, there's so much cool detail and texture here. You just want to make sure you get it all in one single shot. Doesn't necessarily get it all.
Right.
First, we want to make sure we get whatever the client's looking to shoot. So in here, the chimney is really cool, the tall ceiling, amazing, the mantle's great, and just the expanse of the room is really nice. What my goal as a photographer to do is to take the look and the feel of the space and to make it look great on a two-dimensional image, basically. So you're just trying to capture the look and feel of it is the most important, I think. I actually really enjoy it, but I can tell sometimes other people who don't know how long it's actually going to take can get a little frustrated. First off, it's a photographer is going to see it from a different point of view. So a builder, designer, architect, whoever comes in and they see the project from start to finish most of the time, or at least have spent hours upon hours on it. And when a photographer comes in, they come in with fresh eyes, so they see things just a little bit differently. And so it's a nice, just different perspective to have. But also the process of architecture photography where if you come in and just take an iPhone photo, that's fine and that's great to use for a couple different parts of your marketing. But if you want really great, crisp, well-lit images, you're gonna have to hire a professional to do that. Like I was saying before, some rooms take an hour to stage. It helps make the space look livable and relatable to whoever is looking at it. So it's nice to have a couple things styled so that you can see how the space is used or lays out a little easier. And then the post-processing afterwards is hours of editing just to make sure everything looks great. And so I think it's always worth having professional photos and hiring a professional to do that for those reasons.
Okay, it's been a long day, and what do you think? Yeah, a great day. We got some great shots, but right now, time for the money shot. So, got to get out while we still have some light.